Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Between Two Racks. Today with me is our furniture guru, Dean Wheelan. You all remember him from our ADA and our Frame to Furniture video. Dean, thanks for joining me today. And
thanks, Pat. Do we have to share a microphone forever?
Actually, I have a gift for you.
Oh my goodness.
In this festive holiday bag.
Oh boy. Wow. Should I talk into this end?
Flip it around. There you go.
All right.
Look, everybody.
Awesome.
I want to thank our VP and GM, Tim Trost, for funding a second microphone. Now you don't have to see us pass one back and forth.
Awesome. Thanks, Tim.
Thanks, Tim. All right, so today we're going to be talking about our furniture finishes. Now, Dean, I know we have a handful of finishes. Can you explain to us, I guess let's start with T-Lam. And my first question is that a real, what does that stand for?
Is it a real word?
Is it a real word?
T-Lam, it sounds like something to eat, but it's not. That stands for Thermolaminate. It's something that we affectionately call a Thermolaminate.
Is that a real word?
That is a kind of a made-up word, but I'd like to see you find a better one for that product. It is our most cost-effective finish, and it doesn't require banding, so it allows us to produce a rounded edge, a very comfortable edge for consoles and Lectern work surfaces, etc. And we have over 15 finishes in T-Lam.
Mm-hmm. Now, just can you give us a quick overview of how the manufacturing process of Thermolaminate T-Lam?
If I have to, it's a vinyl product that's laid over the product as a sheet. The substrates are heated, and it is vacuum sealed onto the, as you can see here, vacuum sealed onto the wood products to produce a nice, clean product, rounded edges, etc.
Vacuums.
Vacuumed.
All right.
Vacuum seal.
Now, Dean, our second offering is, I think, what we call HPL. Or high pressure laminate?
Yeah.
Can you give us an overview on that?
Sure. That's a product many people know as Formica. And Formica is one of those Kleenex words that means, it really means, this doesn't mean tissue, but it means plastic laminate or high pressure laminate.
We do not have permission to use either of those brands in this video.
Yeah, so we'll be sued for this. But it is a code word for high pressure laminate, also known as plastic laminate. It's the most durable of the surfaces that we put on furniture, and we have over 35 high pressure laminate finishes. The interesting thing is, though, we could get any high pressure laminate that's out there. It's the one thing that's pretty universal within the furniture world. So if you give us a Formica, Wilson Art Panolam, or other manufacturer's name and part number for the color, we can get it and put it on your Middle Atlantic furniture product within the same time frame as one of our stock colors.
Okay, so you're saying we can match existing furniture in the space that's using an HPL product?
Yep, all day.
Awesome.
Works well. Yep.
Cool. And what's the manufacturing process on that look like?
Well, that is vastly different from the Thermolaminate, where it's
no vacuums.
It's laid on something and it's heated up and squished on, more or less.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a laminating process. There's a glue and a heat aspect to it, and the plastic laminate happens to be very, very durable. So we generally promote that. It's going to last a long time.
Okay. And our third offering is Veneer, correct?
Yeah.
Now, same question. What's the benefit of Veneer?
Well, it really is real wood. It's a very thin skin of real wood laid over the substrate. So all the products that we're talking about are laminates. Veneer happens to be the laminate that's made from real wood, and because of that, it still has to be stained and clear coated for protection. Stained to a certain color and clear coated for durability. We can match any veneer finish that you can throw at us. We ask for a 5x5 sample, and we produce a counter sample that's the same size. We ask for sign off, and we can produce the exact color and sheen of any piece of veneer furniture, along with matching the species of wood.
Wow. Even zebra wood?
Zebra wood or even babunga wood.
Wow. Okay. So similar concept where if you have existing furniture, we can match it just like the HPL.
Yes, indeed.
But a little bit higher higher quality, I guess.
Yes,
Or
a higher aesthetic,
higher
more
aesthetic,
considered
okay.
more of a formal product, and yeah, it looks great.
Sweet. Well, Dean, any other wisdom you want to?
That's
give
about
us?
as wise as I get.
All right. Well, really appreciate you joining us and giving us the high level of our three offerings here at Middle Atlantic. Now, folks, remember, if you want to hear any other topics, please leave us comments and don't forget to subscribe. This is another episode of Between Two Racks. Dean and I signing off until next time.